This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Boeing is trading sharply higher in Wednesday's pre-market after posting its first profit since the third quarter of 2019. Looking back, the stock posted an all-time high just above 446 in March of 2019. The Ethiopian crash of the 737 jetliner happened just a couple of days later, instituting this failed breakout above this high right here near 400. A long and persistent trading range into the first quarter of 2020. Then the bottom dropped out. The stock fell to an 8-year low. Now, the recovery since that time has unfolded in 1, 2, 3 rally waves that got right back up to this 50 or 50% retracement, filled this big continuation gap right here from March. Now, once it hit that 50% retracement right up here in about March, it's been kind of all bad news since that time. You have this sort of lazy action right down to this 50-month moving average, 50-week moving average, followed by a little bit of a breakdown and a test of this uptrend line. Well, the stock is trading up here around 234 this morning, so it's still dealing with these lower highs. It probably needs to get up into the 240s to sort of improve the technical state and maybe set up an inevitable test up here at this big breakdown level right around 300. Now, this may not happen right away because accumulation's really deteriorated since September of 2020. Once the max got up into the sky, there was a little flurry of buying that happened in November, December. And since that time, realism has set in. No one knows how quickly the commercial airline industry is coming back to life, especially with the Delta variant sort of screwing with the plans for reopening of business travel and customs requirements at international destinations. So I think you got to look at Boeing as a long-term play. It could wobble sideways, perhaps between 200 and 250 or 260, all the way into 2022, until we see more light at the end of the pandemic tunnel.